So, hello everyone. I am Mariana. As you can see, these are a few versions of my name where people love typing them. The first one is the correct, in case you were doubting. And today I'm going to share my story from Open Labs Hackerspace. So Open Labs is actually a physical community, not just an online community. It's a hackerspace. If you're familiar with the term, you probably know what I'm going to be talking about. It is a community where we care mostly about open source projects. These are the main pillars what we stand and try to promote, which is open source technologies, open data, open technology standards, alternative licenses for creative works like music and images and designs and all of this kind of stuff. But how I got there all started back in 2016 when I was on my second year on my university, my bachelor studies at that time. In March, a friend of mine called me and told me that in 2 months, in May at the time, a conference is going to happen, a conference which is called OSCAL, Open Source Conference Albania, and they are looking for volunteers. Most of the volunteers usually are students. And then I asked her, why should I go there? Why should I spend my weekend helping, a conference? I had never been to one. That's true. So I followed her advice. I attended the conference. I stayed there for 2 days. I met a lot of people from different countries who knew a lot of stuff, different kind of stuff. And I realized that tech is so diverse on its own, not only the people that consisted, but also of trying to find what you like the most. For example, there are people that like coding, other that like system administration, design, and even people who are like more into this marketing part. They are more of a people's person. I am not. I hate public speaking, as you can see. That is a picture of that day. I am somewhere in the middle. 3 years now, back to 2019, and I have learned a lot from this community because later on, of course, I joined them, and I kept organizing smaller events other than just an annual conference. I have met amazing people. I've had the chance to attend larger events like this one and meet people like you. The most important to me part is that I have become a little bit more confident for myself. Not that I became more smarter than then. I'm the same person, but just the boost you get from these people and their kind words make you feel more comfortable about you. And also reshare what you know. Resharing your story, like these sessions, resharing your knowledge and your experience is what will make people like me at that time be in a stage like this a few years later. And you can do that but many, many ways. A way that I chose to reshare what I knew was in January when I found out about these conferences, and before I apply, I shared it with my community. We have an online forum, a discourse forum, and I said that, hey guys, I saw on Twitter that these conferences are happening. They have some scholarships they could provide. I am a scholar this year. I shared the links. Unfortunately, the CFP was closed at that time. So I just shared for people who just wanted to come as guests and attend the conferences. So not only me, also another girl applied for the conference. And that was my way of saying thank you to these people for everything that they have done for me, and probably give back something to them. That is all for me. Thank you.